So earlier, our elders, grandmother and all used to ask us to have water with cumin seeds in it. Boiled water with cumin seeds in it. So, or jeera water. So, what's the benefit of that, and how is it to be made?
See, Jeera water has been practiced from the ancient time. You know, there are specific way to prepare waters. You know, that is a different subject altogether. But during the winter time, say between say October to February, 4 or 5 months, once the rainy season starts, I'm talking about the southern peninsula. If you go to Kerala and all that, from October onwards, whichever restaurant, whichever tea shop you go, they don't give you normal water, they give you only Jeera water. Because of the season, that you don't sweat much because the temperature comes down. When you sweat good during summers, your load onto the nephrology is on the lower side, your kidneys. When you are winter, when you don't sweat, the load onto the kidney is very high.
Okay.
You understand this?
Yeah.
The more and more you sweat, your load onto the kidney is much lesser.
Much lower.
More and more you don't sweat, the load to your kidney is very high. They have to filter many things. When you have Jeera water during this time, it helps your nephron cells to filter things efficiently.
Okay.
So they were so brilliant enough to understand the chemistry from the Vegan kingdom to facilitate your nephron cells to work much efficiently. That is why they practice this.
Okay.
There is a way to make Jeera water, you know. You take around 5 grams minimum, nicely crush it in a stoneware for every liter. So if you are putting 5 liters of water, you put 25 grams, crush it, put it, boil it nicely and bring it down. And use that water morning till evening. Leftover has to be thrown. The next day sunrise, after which you have to make a fresh one. If you see that yesterday's preparation 2 liters more to go, I'm going to have that. No. Once it is made after sunrise, it should be finished before you go to sleep. Leftover should be thrown away. That's a way to prepare it and have it. The secret behind the cumin seed water, the Jeera water, is to, during the winter time, it is very useful, and it is a blood purifier by making your nephron cells work efficiently. That chemistry really works very well in order to reduce your inflammatory condition of the blood. Thank you.